next time this, I have to get a bigger needle. This is going to go straight inside of it.
Okay, you got it, Gina.
Okay? Okay, so take a big breath. Exhale.
Dang.
Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Oh my God. Holy shit. Aaron or someone?
Hold on, I'm a
So
medic.
just-
Get out of the way.
Can you get her?
Oh.
Get her.
Hey, how you doing, man? Come here. Hold on. What's your name?
I got it. It's through
Hey.
the head. Just
Hey, what's your name? Olivia. How old are you?
You're okay. Yeah.
Hey, look at me. Look at me.
Wrong person passed out.
Get me right here. You okay?
She's good.
Okay. All right, hold on. Hold on. Just stay right there.
Just breathe and relax. That's it.
Head, your head. No, don't.
You faked it. You're okay. Just sit.
Yeah, you're fine. Hold on a second.
You banged your head. You banged your head.
I've never fainted. That's so weird. I'm in awe right now. Wait,
At least you're running my son. No, you're fine. You're not even a blood.
No, I'm fine.
All right. Hang on.
Did you get to my video? You see it?
No, you see it. Wait, can I just get going?
I'm still videoing this.
Dude, that was so weird.
Stand right there.
Yeah, she whacked her head. Olivia, you whacked